Namaste, I'm Dr. Matrishwa Vyas, convener for the 25th Silver Jubilee Photographic Competition of Orange City Photographers Club. We have prepared a very user-friendly website for submitting your entries to the said competition. But in last couple of days, I got some phone calls, some messages that we are little bit confused how to submit. We are not computer savvy. So please guide us on that. So this particular video will take you step by step through our website and tell you the exact procedure which you need to follow so that your images reach us in a proper way. So follow this video till end if you wish to know how to submit to this competition. So let me first open up any browser. Then I paste the link which you must have got through the website, WhatsApp, your email, Facebook or Instagram. When you click on that link, the page you get is something like this, which welcomes you basically to the 25th, that is a Silver Jubilee Photographic Competition. You have a button which says View Details. Click on it and it takes to the subdomain where you have all the information related to the competition. Now this particular competition, let me brief you, is a 25th photographic competition, that is a Silver Jubilee Photographic Competition, which we organize each year on the occasion of World Photography Day that falls on 19th of August every year. This year it is in association with Vitoba Industries Private Limited, and we are organizing it in fond memory of late Shri Sudhakar Vasudevrao Kulkarni. So you get all these buttons: about us, categories, rewards, gallery, guidelines, contact us. Let me quickly go through all these things and tell you about this. So about us, you can read about our club, when it was installed and what are the activities we are doing. You can click on this read more button and you can read all the information regarding Orange City Photographers Club. Then we are organizing the competition in the memory of late Shri Sudhakar Vasudevrao Kulkarni, our own member, our own photographer. And if you wish to read about this gentleman, then you can read here by clicking on read more button. Our principal sponsor is Vitoba Industries Private Limited, and we are thankful for sponsoring the main prizes in professional category. Our exhibition committee comprises of our president, Mr. Rajan Gupta, convener of the Silver Jubilee Committee, that is Silver Jubilee Celebration Committee, Mr. Chetan Joshi, myself, Matrishwa Vyas. I am convener for the 25th photographic competition, that is the Silver Jubilee Photographic Competition, and we are ably assisted by our co-conveners Vinod Khapekar, Mangesh Todkar, Pankaj Gupta and Samresh Agrawal. You can find our past presidents and secretary in this list from 1995 to 2021. Click on any year and you get the photographs of our president and the secretary for that year. Then, as you know, that you can compete in either a professional category or an amateur category. Professional category means participants who earns more than 10% of his total income from photography or photography related business. For a professional category, the theme is color. That means judges are looking for images where color plays a major role in enhancing the appeal of an image. For amateur category, that is those photographers which are hobbyist photographers and do not earn more than 10% of their total income from photography. And the theme for them is open. That means they can submit images from any genre. And then we have the rewards. In professional category, we have 8 prizes. The first prize is of 25,000 and a certificate. Second prize is of rupees 15,000. Third prize is rupees 10,000. And all these 3 major prizes are sponsored by Vitoba Industries Private Limited. And we have 5 consolation prizes of 5,000 each. And these are also sponsored by our own club members in the memory of their relatives and nears and dears. And in amateur category, we have first prize of 15,000, second prize of 10,000, third prize of 7,000, and a fourth prize, or that is a special mention prize of 5,000. And then we have 5 consolation prizes of 3,000 each. These amateur prizes we are giving in the memory of late Shri Sudhakar Vasudev Rao Kulkarni, and consolation prizes are sponsored by our own club members. Then we have a gallery of all our activities from 1995 till 2020-2021 page will be updated shortly. Then we have a winners gallery. You can see the past winners here, 2020 and 1995 onwards. We have guidelines for registration and submission, technical specification, ethical and legal guide standards which are to be maintained, and the judging process. In technical specification, 2 or 3 things I want to clear: that photographs must be submitted in a JPEG format, sRGB mode, and it must not be more than 1920 pixels on a longer side. That means if it is a horizontal image, it should be maximum of 1920 pixels horizontally. If it is a vertical image, then it must be maximum of 1920 pixels vertically. Please also note that the photograph size must not exceed 2 MB, otherwise website will not to accept your images. Then of course there should not be any borders and other things. Regarding cropping, there is one video which I have prepared on my YouTube channel, so go and see that particular video so that you have an idea what type of cropping is allowed and what type of cropping is not allowed. This is very important because if your images are shortlisted and if we find that they do not meet our standards, your images will not go in the final round. And then very important thing is, because we need to know who is the photographer who has submitted this image, each photograph will have to be renamed before submission. So rename it as a title, category and your name. For example, if your title is sunrise, write sunrise underscore. If you are competing in an amateur category, write amateur underscore and then your name, say for example Rajan Gupta. So this is how you must rename each of your images. Then you have ethical and legal standards, and then in the judging process we have 2 types of judging. The first round of judging will shortlist the images, then we check for the authenticity, and once the authenticity is proved, these images goes for the second round, that is the final round, and we declare the result on World Photography Day, that is 19th of August 2021. So that was about our website. You can click on this or you can click on this participate button. Either way, you will get this particular window. You are coming for the first time. You first need to create your account. So just click on this particular sentence or this question, that is don't have an account. So once you click it, you will have to write your name, Matrishwa Vyas, write your correct name. Then I need to give my username. So I am writing my username Matrishwa4, and then I create my password, 8 digit. You can create any digit. Okay, just remember your password and your username because that will be important and will be required for signing up. Then enter your correct email ID. So your phone number and email ID should be very much correct because this is the way through which we will contact you. If your email ID is wrong, you will not get any communication from us. Then this is very important. You have to select your category, whether you want to compete in amateur category or a professional category, and then I sign up. So once signed up or created my account, then I can go and sign in here or click on this participate button, write my Matrishwa 4, and then I have created a password. I sign in. I'll get a dashboard like this where I have the guidelines and the technical information which were there on my website again written here, so that in case you want to read it again, you can read it before submitting. Click on this upload button to upload your images. Once you click on this, it will ask you, the website will ask you how many photographs you wish to submit. Your category is professional, which you have already selected. Say for example, I click on 4 images. So it will give me option to upload 4 images. So I browse, just pay attention that I have renamed all the images in the way we want it, that is title, my category and my name. So likewise you select all your images And just remember that once you click on the submit button, you cannot change your images. In case you want to submit more images, you can click on these 5 images. Another browser will open and you will have 5 images. So now I am submitting only 4 images. So at this stage you should be very clear whether you want to submit 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 images. Whatever you changes you want to do. If you want to change your image, you can change your image from here, again browse and again go and submit. But once you submit, your images are submitted to us and you cannot change your images. You cannot upload more number of images. Of course, if you wish to upload more number of images, then you have to create another username. So once your submission is over, let us wait for a while for that submission to happen, and then a next page will come where you will see your images which you have submitted, so that you are sure that these images have reached us. Your images are now submitted. I am competing in professional category. I need to pay 1200 rupees. I am Matrishwa Vyas. My mobile number, my email ID and my 4 images are seen here. And then very important, because if you do not have your payment done, your images, even if it reaches us, will be of no use. So you click on this pay now button. So once you click on the pay now button, it will take you through the payment process where you can securely pay your amount. There is some convenience fee charged over the amount which we are taking. So please take into that account. Your payment options may be through credit card, debit card, net banking, your e-wallets, NEFT or bank transfer. Once you have submitted and your payment has been received by us, in the dashboard we will receive an information that you have already paid. Even you will get an information that you have paid in. So here, instead of a pay now, the button will say it is the entry is paid. So I am not making any payment now. This is just for demonstration. So hope you have understood this particular thing, and we welcome you to participate in this competition. It's a very good competition and you have a lot of prizes to win. Hope to see your entries. Thank you.